Welcome to the future of precision GPS technology. Designed for the do-it-yourself enthusiast, we're introducing the RaceBox Micro, a compact powerhouse for performance tracking and optimization. Dive into the heart of innovation with a 10th generation GPS module, refreshing data at an astounding rate of 25 Hz. With an integrated high-sensitivity accelerometer and gyroscope, every movement is captured with unparalleled precision. The cutting-edge GPS technology communicates with all major satellites, achieving positional accuracy as low as 10 centimeters. Designed for makers and tinkerers, the RaceBox Micro serves as the versatile core of your projects. Its slim, modular design, operational with any power source from 3.5 volts to 16 volts, brings advanced GPS capabilities to your fingertips. Additionally, its integrated storage allows you to capture every thrilling moment of your journey without requiring a constant mobile connection. We further enhanced its functionality by integrating a hardware button, enabling you to start recording directly on the device without the need for a mobile phone. With NMEA functionality and flexible powering options, the RaceBox Micro is your companion for every adventure, offering a fusion of power and precision. Empowering your experience, the RaceBox Micro harnesses the power of the Bluetooth 5.2 standard for communication. This ensures a robust, energy-efficient connection with mobile phones and other devices. It's more than tracking, it's about pushing your limits. The RaceBox Micro is fully compatible with the RaceBox app, offering seamless connection and management. Download data effortlessly and utilize our advanced tools for lap timing and drag measuring. Analyze, adjust your setup, and shave seconds off your time with real-time data and post-session insights. Drawing from our 15-year history in professional motorsport and the development of GPS-based tracking devices, we've refined every aspect of our manufacturing to perfection. This journey has pushed us to innovate and maintain the highest standards for the RaceBox line. Building on the legacy of RaceBox, the Micro joins our fleet of devices and further expands the scope of what is possible to track. Join us in ushering in a new era of GPS tracking and performance optimization. With the RaceBox Micro, let's redefine what's possible together.